Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the leveling leg on your range. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now, to do this repair, we will need to pull the range away from the wall. If you're simply replacing one of the front leveling legs, just pull it far enough away from the cabinets that you can tilt it back and either have somebody secure it in place while you remove the old leveling leg and replace it, or you can also block up the frame at the bottom to hold it securely while you change out that part. If you're changing one of the rear leveling legs, you'll need to pull the range completely away from the cabinets and also unplug it so that you have room to tilt it sideways, and then you can change out one of the rear legs. Now, with the range secure, we're next going to remove the old leveling leg if it's still intact. If it's just the bottom that's broke off it, you'll need to have a pair of pliers to unthread the stem of the old leg. Simply discard the old one. Make sure the metal where the threads are is not damaged or distorted. And carefully line up the new leveling leg so that it turns in easily by hand. And position it approximately the same as the opposite one. And we'll set the range down, and you can do your final adjustments before we push it back into the cabinets. So we simply need to make sure that our range is level from side to side and front to back and secure on all four legs. We can then push it back into the cabinets, and your repair is complete.